In the world of military operations, one of the most challenging and dangerous tasks is resupplying troops with essential goods like weapons, food, and medical supplies, particularly in combat zones. These resupply missions, which are critical to the success of any operation, often put lives at risk. However, recent advancements in autonomous technology are beginning to change the game. Imagine a world where goods are delivered to the front lines by unmanned aircraft, eliminating the need for human pilots and thus reducing the risks associated with these critical missions. This is no longer science fiction, it's becoming a reality. While many people associate unmanned systems with drones, they have certain limitations. Drones are effective for surveillance and even combat missions, but they simply don't have the size or payload capacity required to handle larger, more complex resupply tasks. That's where companies like Sikorsky, a leader in aircraft innovation, come into play. Sikorsky has developed a groundbreaking technology known as the Matrix system, which can retrofit existing helicopters, like the iconic UH-60 Black Hawk, allowing them to fly autonomously. The Matrix system has already been tested on the Black Hawk, with impressive results. The technology enables the helicopter to operate autonomously on a range of missions, including cooperative flights and firefighting operations. This technology has already proven its worth in various environments, and now it's getting the opportunity to showcase its potential in military applications. In a major development, the U.S. Marine Corps has selected the autonomous Black Hawk, integrated with the Matrix system, to contribute to its aerial logistics connector program. This initiative aims to explore how autonomous aircraft could be used to resupply Marines in contested battlefields. By replacing human pilots with autonomous flight systems, these helicopters could perform critical missions without risking human lives. What makes this technology especially promising is its potential to operate in high-tempo, high-risk combat scenarios. The tests, which are set to take place in the near future, will involve the autonomous Black Hawk taking off from Navy ships and shore-based expeditionary bases. In these scenarios, Marines will be able to remotely control or assist in the mission, ensuring the technology is adaptable and can be integrated into a variety of operations. The flexibility of the system is key. It can operate with 2 onboard pilots, a single pilot aided by a virtual co-pilot, or fly entirely autonomously. As of now, the exact timeline for these tests remains unclear, and while the potential is high, the world may not see self-flying military helicopters on a large scale for some time. However, the promise of this technology and the significant investment from both the military and private sectors means that we are likely to see more autonomous systems deployed in the near future, both for military and civilian uses. This research into autonomous aerial logistics could pave the way for a new era of resupply missions, where human soldiers are no longer at risk when transporting essential supplies. As autonomous flight technology continues to evolve, we can expect more systems like the Matrix to emerge, capable of performing a wide range of military and civilian applications. The development of such technology offers a glimpse into the future, where resupply missions could be safer, more efficient, and perhaps more frequent. With the USMC and companies like Sikorsky leading the way, we may be on the cusp of a major leap forward in military logistics. Ultimately, the future of warfare could look very different, with autonomous systems playing a central role. Whether it's self-flying helicopters, drones, or other unmanned systems, these technologies promise to reshape how we think about resupply, logistics, and even combat itself. The progress made with the Matrix system is just the beginning of a technological revolution in military operations.